Measure the tool length by using presetter machine. Select the tool offset vertical soft key. Place the cursor at required offset number. Input the measured tool length in the selected field. Go to Workpiece Coordinates page. Select Handle Mode. Touch the tool to the top surface of the component. Place the cursor at required work offset field and press Measure soft key. Enter the measured tool length at target field. Check the result value, then click OK soft key. See the resulted value registered at the work offset field.